Parang sa ating pagkakadinig ay tutulungan ng DOJ ang mga witnesses para makapag-testify, para mabigyan ng hustisya ang dapat na mabigyan ng hustisya. Hindi directly makikipagtulungan sa ICC.
But this is upon the request of the ICC.
Still, ang tutulungan po natin ay ang kapwa nating Pilipino na nangangailangan ng tulong para mabigyan sila ng hustisya. At yan din naman po ang sinasabi ng Commission on Human Rights at ating kausap. Ito po ang kanilang mensahe. The CHR, as constitutionally mandated, has always made its services readily available to the extent possible to all victims, regardless of circumstances and status, in its pursuit of justice and accountability for alleged violations of human rights, whether local or abroad, with assistance of relevant government agencies if necessary. At ayon din naman po sa DOJ, kahit sino pang witnesses, kung ito po ay witnesses ng mga biktima, mapa-ICC man po ito o sa ibang mga pagkakataon, tutulungan pa rin po nila.
Going back to my original question, may basbas ho ito ng Pangulo.
Yun po ay, yun din naman po ang gusto ng Pangulo, mabigyan ng hustisya ang dapat na mabigyan ng hustisya.
One final point. Isn't this a departure from the previous statements of the President that we will not cooperate with the ICC in any way, shape, or form? Because at least from how it looks, it's definitely cooperation in a way, shape, or form.
It can be said that it is indirectly cooperating with the ICC, but the primary intention of the government is to help the victims and the witnesses of the victims to get the justice they need.
So hindi pa rin po tayo nakikipagtulungan sa ICC?
Yes, directly hindi po.